Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. Today, in this video, I want to show and tell you how to disable activity status in Instagram. How to do it? First of all, you log into Instagram. What is activity status? It's a feature that allows other people to see that you're online right now. It's also when you were last online. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Go to your profile and tap the 3 bars. Then select Settings and Privacy. Click on Search, and in the search we write the word Status. And here we find the item, Show Activity Status. We select that option. If we turn off this checkbox, the activity status will be disabled. We turn this slider off, but you can also turn this status back on and click on Public. If you want the activity status to be seen only by those who are subscribed to you, click Accounts you follow. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you soon.